Hey guys, so I did a 60-second EdTech tip that helps you with the random thoughts that pop into your brain called Just Press Record. You can check it out right there. But if you're online, if you're on the web, or if you're doing that kind of research and you need another tool that's like it, man, did I find the perfect one this week. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this tool is a web-based tool called Wakelet. It exists on the computer, but it also exists on smartphones, and it allows you to take information from anywhere and add it into a curated list so that you can go back and sort that research out later. Now I can see this being used a bunch of ways for students. You know, you can collect tweets and videos, blogs, articles, whatever you find online, add them into a Wakelet. For teachers, you're doing the same thing, but even just in your normal life, maybe you need to add those things in. All right, but one thing that makes this tool like crazy amazing is shared Wakelets from other professionals, other students, other people in a topic you're interested in. So for example, I did these tips on Flipgrid, a great tool. But if you're looking for ideas on Flipgrid, all you have to do is go to Wakelet, type in Flipgrid, and you can find all these public Wakelets where people have 20, 30, 40 examples of what to do with Flipgrid in your classroom or your organization. So Wakelet is not just a place for you to curate all the stuff you want, it's also a place for you to find what others have curated and just help you shortcut that learning curve. Wow guys, so there's so much stuff here that your head just wants to explode. But I tried, I really did, and I thought rather than try to cram everything into 60 seconds, what I really need to do is to make a full-on video of everything you can do with Wakelet. I mean, this thing really is amazing, and I'd hate for you to miss out on any of the features because I was in a rush. So I hope that 60-second EdTech tip on Wakelet was just enough to get you interested, and as soon as I have the full tutorial ready, it'll be linked right there. Hey, check out some of those other 60-second EdTech tips that'll be in that playlist, and some of our full tutorials, our other things for students, teachers, and parents. And I really hope that this was a blessing to you and that you have a great day. We'll see you later.